Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the set of night lights. These are the LED motion sensor night lights. They're adjustable brightness for bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchens, hallways, and stairways. Alright, so right here we have these Auvon night lights. You do have the options to choose in two different colors. This is a 4-pack. You get the cool white and a warm white. So first off, you can see that we do get 4 night lights. So these are motion sensors. The night lights with motion sensor helps you reduce unnecessary power consumption. So these are great because they can go about up to 12 feet and a 120-degree angle. It is 2 adjustable brightness. You could choose the desired brightness from a high and medium for different occasions. So you have the settings up top. You have the off, on, auto. You can choose your brightness right here where you push the button. There's a lighter and then a brighter. So these are great for bedrooms, bathrooms, corridors, kitchen. It is fire resistant superior V0 fire resistant casing and overcurrent protection designed to guaranteed for safety. So here are some little specs in the back. So this in the auto mode will automatically turn on when the motion detected and dark and turn off 60 seconds of no seeing any motion, saving unnecessary energy to also ensure that the night light will be automatically lit when only you need them. So you got a passive infrared technology, navigate while being half asleep without bumping into stuff or waking up. So the great thing about this is you do get 4. So with having 4, you have 4 places you can put them. There are 5 useful modes, 2 brightness modes, and 3 lighting modes are included for nightlight. You can also desire brightness for the high or medium by simply pressing the button at the top while it's choosing the lamp modes. You've got auto, on, off for different occasions and provide you the best user experience. So right here is the user manual. This basically just tells you what I have just told you about how to set the brightness, how to switch it from on, off, and auto. So right now we're just going to go plug these into my wall so I can show you the different modes of the light and the brightness. So now we have it plugged in. This is the lightest. So now if you want to make it the bright, you just click on the button right here at the top and that will change the brightness to brighter, to lightness. And this little ball in front of it, that is your motion sensor. So whenever you walk by, it will turn on and it'll stay on for about 60 seconds until you move away from it and there's no motion, then it will automatically turn off. So I'd say that these are really super nice lights. The fact that you get 4 of them is a great option. They do come in 2 different colors. You've got the white and you've got the warm. So I would definitely say if you're looking for some night lights, I would say go ahead and check these ones out.